Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this area in here. So because this is about an ellipse, so we have the formula in here. So we know that x that is about this one, y that is about this one. So because we want to create about cosine theta square plus sine theta square equals to number 1, because that is about the formula in here. So number 3 in here, that is about 8, and b that is about number 2. So because if I put this one go in here and this one go in here, so 3 square divided by 3 square, 2 square divided by 2 square, and you got number 1. And now we need to prove about this one. So this is about the figure we need to have in here. And now when theta equals to number 0, this one you got number 0, but this one we have number 1. So s equals to number 3, y equals to number 2. That is this location in here. And now they start from 0 and they stop at b. B that is in here. So that means, for example, we have one line in here. We start at number 0 and we go 1 to b. So that means they start from 0 to b in here, and they want to find this area in here. So if you want to find this one, we know that the area of ellipse that is about b multiplied by ab. But this is about a half, so we need to divide by number 2. So 8 that is about number 3. B that is about number 2. So we calculate this one and we got 3b. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.